So hello everyone, let's solve this problem max consecutive ones 3. So in this problem we have given a array, and in this array we have with this array contain with ones and zero, and we have also given a k is equal to 2. So we can flip any two bits like 0 to 1. We can do this 0 to 1 and this 0 to 1, and then we have to return maximum number of length which contain the consecutive ones. So like over here, this is the maximum length. So how we will going to solve this problem? To let me write this array. Okay, so let me write 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So let's think about not changing these bits, but instead of, let's think about different approach. So we can at most we can use two zeros in our at most k zeros in our string. So in our array, sub array, so we can use at most k zeros in our sub array. So what we're going to do is, we are creating two indexes, start and also we are creating a zero variable. So zero will contain how many zero we have passed. So we will start from here. This is start and this end. So our start is 0, end is 0, and 0 we have not find any 0 till now, so that's why it's 0. So we this is 1, so we will increment and over here to 1. Now again and over here we are creating rv is maximum length of our sub array. So let me start from starting. So this is end, everything is 0. So now we will check the start minus end. This is end minus start plus 1. So our rv contain end minus start plus 1. So initially start and ends are at same position. Okay, so then we will check. So our rv become 1. We are not finding any 0, so we will not change anything. Now let's increment our end. So this become 1. Now again we will check to this 2 become. Now we will again increment our end. Now this become 3, and our end become 2. Now we will again increment. So over here we have first time, so our end become 3, and over here we have first time encounter 0, so our 0 become 1, and over here k is equal to 2. Okay, so now our 3 become 4. Now we will again increment our end. So we have again incremented our end, so our it's become 4. Now our 0 become 2. Okay, and our rv become 5. Now what we're going to do is, we still 0 is less than k. Okay, so we will go to next element. So we reach over here. So our end become 5, k become 3, and so now what we're going to do is, so now we have reached our k 0 become greater than k, so greater than 2. Now what we're going to do is, we will our move over this starting index, and till now we are moving, we are getting 0 is equal to we are incrementing our start, while our 0 is not less than become k, less than equal to k. So now let's increment our start. We reach over here. So this is not 0 index, so again we will increment start. So our 0 is not so again we will increment start. Now we will reach to over here, so start. So now it's, we find a 0, so and our increment start. So now we will remove 0 to 2, and then again increment start. So start is over here, start is at 4, and we have encountered 2 0 till now. Okay, now we will find this and is equal to 5. 5 minus 4 plus 1 equal to 2. So we will check whether 2 is greater or 5 is greater. So 5 is greater, then we will just uh, we will not change a value of RB. Now we will again increment our end. Okay, we have incremented our end, so this becomes 6, and our RB is still 5, because end is 6 minus 4 plus 1 is equal to 3, so 5 is greater. Now again we will increment our end, so 6 becomes 7. Still we are not found encounter any 0. 7 minus 4 plus 1 equal to 4, so still we are incrementing our end. So over here it will become 8. So 8 minus 4 plus 1 become 5, but it's not greater than our RV, so we will not change RV, and we are not reach end. So now we will again increment our end, so our this become 9. So 9 minus 4 plus 1 become 6, so we will change this value as a 6. Okay, now now we will again increment our I. So and variable, now and is reached to the end, and this become 10. But wait a second, we encounter 0, so we will change to 3, but our 3 become greater than k, so we will increment our s variable, so s become 5. And now we have removed this 1 0, so our 0 become 2. Okay, so this is how, and at the end we reach to the end of the list, then we will just return our RV. So this is the example. Let's code it up this. So now let's create our return variable RV equal to 0, also start equal to 0, and our 0 variable which contain how many 0 we have passed. So we are iterate through whole array. So len of nums. So if nums of and this becomes 0, then what we're going to do is simply increment our 0 plus equal to 1. Okay, and now we check whether if our 0 is not become greater than key. If our 0 is become greater than key k, then we will check whether is nums of k is equal to 0 or not. If nums of k is equal to 0, then minus equal to 1. And then what we're going to do is we will increment our start plus equal to 1. But wait a second, there may be possibility that first element is not equal to 0, so that's why we are doing while instead of if. Now let's change our RV variable. RV equal to max of RV and n minus start plus 1. Okay, and at the end we will just return RV as output. Let's run this code for any compilation error. Okay, while we are getting this, I have written a capital K instead of small k, and note over here we don't have to write a k, I have to write a start, so that's why this will give me a runtime error. Okay, time complexity, time limit as I expected. Running again. So as you can see over here, run successfully. Let's submit this code. So thank you for watching this video.